Hi, we're going to do an 8-minute low-impact cardio workout, and you're going to need a step, like a step in your house or a portable step like this, starting with Hindu squats. And when I say go, go, reach down, touch your ankles, reach up above your head, and put your hands down like you're putting a hat on your head. You want your back at about a 45-degree angle. Make sure you stick your butt back and your head out, and breathe out as you compress. And this is a modified Hindu squat here. Stop and down, cross-body mountain climbers. When I say go, drive your knee towards the opposite elbow. And go, knee to the opposite elbow. Drive that knee up towards your chin as high as you can. Going as fast as you can. Great exercise for both the upper body, the core, which you got to keep tight, and the lower body. Don't forget to breathe. Stop and up. Now we're going to do step up, so you're going to use that step. So when I say go, step up onto that step with one foot. And go, step up. And when you step up, I want you to drive up that opposite knee and the arm opposite that knee. So step and drive it up, step and drive it up, just like I'm doing right there. So when you drive up your left knee, you drive up your right arm. Stop and high knee climbers. When I say go, start marching. Go, high knees from the waist down, and then ladder climb from the waist up, and then you can go fast if you want to. I like to go fast. Now this is going to be low impact because you notice there's one foot on the ground at all times, so you're not really bouncing too much at all. You're not taking any air. One foot is always on the ground. Stop, and that's the order. So we're going to go back to Hindu squat, so get ready to squat down. And go, squat down and come up, put the hat on your head. Now if you were doing a traditional Hindu squat, you take your arms and put them straight out and then row back towards your shoulders. But I like this better because it opens up the rotator cuff. It involves more of the body. Don't forget to exhale as you compress. Stop and down. Cross-body mountain climbers. Get ready. Go. Just like you're running, except you're parallel to the ground. Hold that body up with your arms. Keep that core tight. Drive those knees up towards your chin as high as you can. Fast as you can, but keep your form good. Stop and up. Step ups. Get ready. Go, step up and drive up that other knee, and drive up and the other knee, and drive it up. Good. Don't forget to drive up the opposite arm. So left leg up and then right arm up, and then opposite. Go, go, go. Stop and high knee climbers. Get ready to go high knees from the waist down and ladder climb from the waist up. Get ready. Go. Raise those knees and raise those arms up like you're climbing. And I like to pretend that I'm climbing up the side of a building and King Kong's climbing up after me. So have some urgency. But keep those knees high and keep those hands high. All right, stop. We are going to take a 30-second break. What I want you to do is stretch it out a little bit. Maybe take a sip of water. And hey, are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page, and online support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. All right, we're going to get ready for round 2. Order's going to be exactly the same, 10 seconds. We're going to start with Hindu squat, so get ready. And go, squat down, touch your ankles, and up. Make sure you get that butt back, that head out. You're squatting, you're not bending over from your waist. Exhale as you compress, inhale as you stand up. Stop and down, crossbody mountain climbers. Get ready. Go, mountain climbers, crossbody. Knee to the opposite elbow, drive, drive, drive. Good. Hold that upper body up. Hold it up. Stop and up. Step ups. Get ready. Go. Step up. Drive up that opposite knee. Step up and drive. Step up and drive. Don't forget to drive that arm up. Step up and drive. Step up and drive. Good. Stop. High knee climbers. Get ready to run with high knees from the waist down. And ladder climb from the waist up. Get ready. Go like you're climbing up that ladder. Fast as you can. Get those knees high. Don't forget to breathe. Raise those arms high. I should be raising mine a little higher, huh? Go, go, go. Stop and Hindu squats. You got 2 minutes to go, so finish strong. Get ready. Go, squat and up and squat and up. Put those arms down, touch those ankles, swing them all the way up above your head, put the hat on your head. Squat with your butt back and your head out, exhaling every time you compress. Stop and down, crossbody mountain climbers. Get ready. Go. Knees high. Knee to the opposite elbow. Drive it, drive it, drive it. Fast as you can, keeping that form good with those knees high. Don't forget to breathe. Stop and up. Step ups with a minute to go. You could hang in there for another minute, can't you? Get ready. Go. Step and drive the knee up. Step and drive the knee up. All right. Go, go, go. Keep going. Stop and high knee climbers. Get ready. Go. High knees from the waist down and ladder climb with your arms from the waist up. Go, go, go. Show some urgency. Intensity. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Hey, if this workout is a little bit too short for you, you could just rewind it and repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it. And don't forget to click on this video right here for your next fat burning workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.